today I want to talk to you about bogies or snot, or the scientific word for bogies and snot is mucus. Now your body actually makes between 1 and 1.5 litres of mucus every single day. Now this is 1 litre. That's a lot of mucus. You don't notice it that much because most of it is inside your body, in your lungs, and some of it's in your digestive system, which is in your tummy as well. But some of it is up your nose, and that's the mucus that you tend to notice, because sometimes you need to blow your nose to get rid of it if there's too much up there. Mucus actually has a really important job, and one of its job is to protect us against things like viruses and bacteria. I've got a little bit of mucus that I've made here. It's not real, it's really just some slime, but it's very similar to actual mucus. So the whole point of mucus is to sit in your nose and in your lungs, and to trap things like bacteria and viruses and even dust that otherwise might get into your lungs. So this is sat up your nose, it's a little bit sticky and a little bit thick, and when you breathe in air, but you also accidentally breathe in any viruses and bacteria and germs that are around in the air. So when you breathe in those viruses and those bacteria, what happens is they actually stick to your mucus, and that means that they don't get inside your body. So mucus is really, really cool. It's just sat up your nose every single day, protecting you. Mucus is mostly made out of water, but it's also got a little bit of sugar in it that makes it sticky, so it can stick to all of those germs, and it's also got protein that makes it thick. Sometimes it even has dead white blood cells in it. Your white blood cells are the things inside your body that fight off bacteria and viruses. And sometimes the way that they do it, it's a bit strange. They actually eat the bacteria and the viruses. So we've got these tiny little cells eating these tiny little viruses and bacteria, and unfortunately those cells die once they've eaten a virus or a bacteria. It doesn't matter because your body just makes more of them. But when they die, they go a bit green, and one of the ways they come out of your body is in your nose. So sometimes when you're ill, you might notice that your nose gets a little bit more runny, and sometimes your mucus, so your snot and your bogies, gets a little bit more green. And that green colour is just those dead white blood cells. So it means your body is doing its job. It's fought off the thing that wasn't supposed to be there, and now the white blood cells have done their job, they're finished with, we don't need them anymore, they come out of your body in your snot. So now hopefully you know why mucus is so important, and you know that it's just sat there up your nose, keeping you safe every single day.